Welcome to the Carver Hangar, sir.
Good morning.
It's a bit brisk for the
coffee,
open air.
A tissue, and maybe some chapstick.
Top down on the old Bronco. You don't waste a dry day here in Oregon. Maybe an omelet?
Anything. Sauna.
The old Bronco's drawing a crowd.
Yeah, the old Bronco, right.
Stock on this thing. That is huge.
347 cubic inches of blueprint Ford V8. Nice. Brock fuel injected 347 blueprint. It's got all the comforts. CD player, room for 4 plus a cooler, bikini top. You'd never know it's 35 degrees out here. I think it's the first time for this Bronco here, so it's drawing a crowd.
Chili in that one this morning.
Yeah, like I'm forced.
Need the battery powered coat driving this.
That's what I got on too.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes